So, finally back on the water again. Let's see, today we are getting joined by, we got Shannon and we got a subscriber, Greg. So we're out here fishing with a subscriber to both of our channels. So that's pretty awesome, that's pretty cool. And hopefully everybody does well and we catch a ton of fish. Hopefully we catch a ton of fish. I don't want to jinx it. But yeah, let's get it. Okay, so my original plan, I'm sure you can probably hear this, but it's a little bit more windier than what the weatherman has said. Ocean's a little angry this morning. I'm not sure what this is. Nope. You're not running from me. No way, my dude. No way. No way. No way. Oh, that's a nice red. No! Damn it. Oh. Today has been a day of not getting anything in the boat. Alright, well, today was a good day. It's always good to be on the water, but it was a tough day. No matter what I hooked into, I couldn't get it into the boat. And yeah, this afternoon slowed right down. So not a whole lot in this video to look at today. But let's see. Super awesome to come out here and fish with my friends and fish with Greg. You know, thank you for coming out. Thank you for supporting the channel and subscribing. And yeah, until the next video, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.